How to upload an index file to your site using FileZilla. Click on the icon of FileZilla client to open it. In the Quick Connect bar, enter the host name in the host field. It is your domain name. Now enter a username in the username field and password into the password field. You can use your cPanel username and password as your FTP user and password. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a certain port to use. Now click on the Quick Connect button. In the server pane, double-click on the public HTML folder to go inside it. In the local pane, which displays the local files on your computer, go to the folder where you have your index file. First right-click on the index file and then click on the Upload option. Now you can see the uploaded index file in the server pane. Now you know how to upload an index file to your site using FileZilla. Thank you for watching.